Welcome back. Here's my beginner friendly Jowar Roti recipe. Moms, grandmoms, and all expert cooks, skip this video. Let's start by using 1 cup of water and add the required amount of salt. Now we are going to turn on the heat and add about 1/4 teaspoon of oil. Let the water come to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, switch off the flame and add the flour. The ratio of flour to water is 1:1. Give it a very good stir so that the water is incorporated into the flour. We are now going to let it sit for about 10 minutes so that the flour gets soaked. After 10 minutes, transfer it to another pan. Let it cool for a little bit until you're able to handle the temperature. Now start kneading it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Jowar does not contain gluten, hence it becomes very difficult while rolling if you do not knead it properly. We are now going to divide the flour into 6 balls of equal size. This is not the traditional method of making this roti. The traditional method never really worked for me because it is very difficult in my opinion. This method is fail-proof and gives perfect rotis every single time. Make sure that you keep the dough covered at all times to prevent it from drying. If a ball develops some cracks, use wet hands and knead the dough for a little bit and your problem will be solved. Using dry jowar flour as necessary, start rolling the ball into a disc. The dough is very pliable and hence making the roti becomes a breeze. See this? I'm just rolling it very easily. The dough is not sticking. The tawa should be really hot. Let's start cooking the roti on medium-high flame. Cook on each side for a few minutes and flip sides as necessary. Be careful while flipping. We are going to cook it almost like a wheat roti, where we cook on each side for a few minutes and then transfer it to an open flame. As you transfer it to an open flame, the roti will start puffing up. Cook on both the sides until done. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.